I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the house that we built the summer of 2024 with some college students. So right now we're approaching the front door, but let me give you look at the view. And here it's early spring, so stuff is just coming out. So here's our mud room. I have some hooks on the wall, bookcase. We put our shoes, but there's a half bath, laundry room. It's a cute little sink. Here's the kitchen. This is an eating kitchen. Here's the sink and dishwasher, the stove, the built-in refrigerator and pantry. Get the extra cabinetry over here on the peninsula. Here's a little sitting room. I like being able to have a place to sit near the kitchen that does not have a TV. Oh, let me take you to the den. And this is where the TV is. So this is a nice little sitting room. It's not that little, it's like 14. 12, I think. Alright, so we wanted the primary bedroom downstairs. So if somebody doesn't want to go up the stairs, we tucked this away. It's in the corner. And here's the closet here. I'll just give you a little peek inside. This nice deep closet. And so now, just close that drawer. So this is the bathroom downstairs. We put micro cement on the inside of the shower, which I think looks really cool. Though I don't know if it's the most practical for cleaning, but so we needed that to be in case somebody wanted to sleep in the den, they would have access to a shower without going into the master. So let's go up the stairs. So up here we have two big sunny bedrooms. So here's one. So we have two twins with lots of space. I think that this is 16 feet wide. We built some little closets there on the side. I put some storage space here under the eaves, and this is the kids' bath. So we also did micro cement on the walls up here with a bathtub. The fan noise. So in the middle right here, you can see this is a Cape style. Ideally, we would put a skylight or something to sort of help illuminate this middle section that doesn't get much light. But at the other end is the other big sunny bedroom with big windows, the same closets. If I were to rebuild this, I would probably put the closets not down the eaves, but somewhere that has a little more space on the wall, so we have a taller closet. So now I'll just show you the outside deck. This is a nice, efficient floor plan and stuff, and great big old living space here. This is our cedar deck. It's 16 by 40, maybe 44. You can see just like he's had a great big lawn. And I'll just do that. Show you the southern side of the house. Some beds ready for plantings.